Hello. Hi, everyone. My name is Ousman Ndure. I was reading a really great book here. It's called Unleashing the Killer App. I definitely suggest everybody who is interested in the blockchain and space of cryptocurrency. This book was written back in 1999, and it highlights some of the innovations that were taking place back then with Amazon, Microsoft, and they reflect very much what's taking place today in the cryptocurrency and blockchain space. So definitely a book to check out, highly recommend it. Unleashing the Killer App, definitely check it out. So today we're going to be talking about how to eliminate waste using blockchain and cryptocurrency. It's really exciting. I'm really happy to share this with you. I've been working in the Bitcoin space. I heard about Bitcoin in 2010. I've been working with blockchain and cryptocurrency since 2016. I've coded and worked on many different projects. I've worked with Ethereum, coding on Solidity. I worked with the Circa platform. I've also worked with Solana. I coded with Rust. And also worked with the Waves platform. And finally, we ended up using the Algorand platform. Algorand is a great option. It is a carbon neutral blockchain. Here they are here. And they are very much working towards sustainability, towards building something truly impactful. Algorand is a great project. It comes out of MIT. They are a carbon neutral blockchain, as I said, and their work has been peer reviewed, and they are definitely a platform that is being used around the world right now as we speak. And a great way to, actually we just partnered with FIFA. That's something that's a big deal. So Algorand is the chain that we built on, and they're a carbon neutral chain. And a way to get some really good information about what is taking place in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space is to look at what is the digitalchamber.org. Check out the digitalchamber.org. This is going to be the Chamber of Commerce for the whole world. Members consist of the world's leading innovators, operators, and investors in the digital asset and blockchain technology. Let's take a look at some of these people on board here. See, we have BNY Mellon on board, we have Citi on board, we have Discover on board, Deloitte. We also have Goldman Sachs, we have MasterCard, Ripple, Visa. So as you see, we're moving into a space where it is no longer a question of if blockchain and cryptocurrency are going to go mainstream. It's really a point of now is the time. And if we're all familiar, how many people by a show of hands have blockchain or cryptocurrency assets as we speak? Okay, I see a few hands going up. So blockchain simply blocks a data chain together. And these chains of data are what form the blockchain, which is a decentralized ledger that is distributed around the world on computers. So it's really important because as we move into sustainability and into the circular economy, this distribution and this collaboration is imperative. So what we're going to talk about today is how we can use these blockchains and cryptocurrencies in order to make your organization, to make your business, to make your life more sustainable and to eliminate waste. And how are we going to do that? It's going to be through tokenization, incentivization, governance, and provenance. Those are the four aspects that we could use blockchain and cryptocurrency in order to get the result of eliminating waste, moving forward the circular economy, and being able to get to our final destination, which is sustainability. A great place to get information that I found that I want to share with you is FinTech Week that comes from the Institute of International Economic Law out of Georgetown. Due to COVID, which I like to call creating our vision in detail. Yes, it was a tumultuous time. However, some of us have found the time to work on what we needed to. So FinTech Week was held off, and FinTech Week will be coming back. And it's a great place to get in contact with local policymakers that are working towards sustainability and using blockchain and the future technologies that we talk about. So, how are we going to be able to use blockchain and cryptocurrency to help eliminate waste? And what we're going to have to look at is how does cryptocurrency and blockchain work? There's two different ways to solve the transactions that are associated with Bitcoin. The two transactions with cryptocurrency, I'm sorry. are proof of work and proof of stake. Proof of work is what everybody knows as mining. So the proof of work idea is using a lot of energy, and this is what people consider dirty crypto. So the aspect of dirty crypto is that we don't want to have more pollution, right? Dealing with the pollution is what we're having to mitigate. So proof of work is an archaic model, what Bitcoin was built on, proof of work. Proof of stake is the new model, and that is the model that Algorand is built on. And they are big into making it happen in terms of using the transaction fees to pay and reduce their carbon footprint, to go carbon neutral. So by picking up a blockchain to use for your endeavors in your business, whether you're in the auto industry, whether you're in the cosmetic industry, no matter the industry, just by switching over to a carbon neutral blockchain, you will firstly greatly reduce your transaction fees, which eliminates waste. And you will also reduce your transaction speeds, which will help to eliminate wasting time. So wasting time and wasting money will be eliminated by moving into a carbon neutral or a carbon negative blockchain. Now, to talk about the four aspects, the provenance, the governance, the aspect of provenance, governance, tokenization, and incentivization. So let's start with incentivization to change behaviors. We want to change people's behaviors because what we're moving into are new habits because the old habits need to be broken. And what is one of the best ways to break old habits? It's a reward system. We use Sky Miles to reward us. We use, when we go shopping at Target, we get rewards. When we go to coffee house, we get rewards. So rewarding is a great way to change behaviors. So through incentivization by tokenization, you are able to bring in-house a point system that you will be able to use universal. What do I mean by that? The idea is once you create a token on your blockchain, which of choice, which I would suggest Algorand, however, there's other carbon neutral solutions out there. Throughout my years of work, I found Algorand is a great solution. And anybody who received the email will also see the fact that we are airdropping Algorand in order for you to understand how it works and to interface with the blockchain. So by incentivizing people and tokenization, you're able to take a token that was created in-house, you have complete control over it, and then you could be swapped for other tokens. It's a transferable feature that you can't do with Sky Miles. It's a transferable feature you can't do with points from McDonald's. You cannot transfer those points into other ecosystems. And this is where blockchain and tokenization and incentivization in Web 3.0 really takes off. Because now people aren't trapped into one ecosystem, they could move throughout greater ecosystems and have much more use case with their technology. So we're going to move into the idea of tokenization, incentivization, and through this tokenization, you can get governance. What is governance? Governance is the idea that people could have say in the company. They could vote on ideas. They could vote and pick as to the way the token might move, the company might move. It shapes the ecosystem, and that's what people want. And even as a business owner, an entrepreneur, and an executive, you want the input of your customers in order to have the best product. Going back to unleashing the app, that's what Amazon did. They made it so that people were able to see the reviews. That was groundbreaking in e-commerce. Absolutely groundbreaking to see reviews. That influences people's purchasing decisions. That influences people's buying decisions. So now that you're able to see and be pointed into the directions that your customers choose, it makes it much easier and you can become a much more agile company. So that agility through the governance and allowing your people to have power within the company makes you for a much stronger company. And this strength in the company allows you to start changing and shaping the behaviors. And that's where you start to using the cryptocurrency and blockchain in order to incentivize, tokenize, and give governance into your circular business model and into your sustainable business model. Because these are what we're moving into: sharing, collaboration. This is what circularity is: working together, transparency, honesty, these are the things that blockchain and tokenization and all of these different aspects of cryptocurrency fuel Web 3.0. And Web 3.0 is deeply entrenched into the circular economy. Without these tools of blockchain and cryptocurrency, we're going to have a very difficult time. But now that we could see and prove the provenance, the final part of this whole equation, the provenance of an item, now you could use the blockchain, which are the chained data, to find out, hey, where did my product come from? Hey, where did this product really originate? Who touched it? How did it move? Which supply chains did they use? You could say you're a green company, right? But then think about it. If you're really a green company and you're shipping with non-green means, all of a sudden you're just greenwashing because you get some carbon credits. But when you could see that somebody is using, here's a quick story. I was working on organic farms throughout my life. Who's familiar with willing workers on organic farms? Woofers? Yes, I woofed for a little bit in my life. And I worked on two types of organic farms. The first one, they were using chicken manure, they were using fish emulsions, and I was like, this is organic farming. I went to another organic farm, and they said, the fertilizer's coming. I said, great. I got my shovel, I got my muck boots on, and I said, where's the fertilizer? And a truck backed up and dropped off all this powder in bags. It said USDA organic on the side. I said, guys, this isn't organic. Where's the manure? They said, oh, don't worry about it. It's USDA organic fertilizer, crystal. That's when I realized the importance of knowing where your food truly comes from. Both of them have a USDA organic symbol, right? However, one's using the real sustainable method versus one who's using chemicals that have a USDA stamp on the side. That's not going to work out. And these are the provenance that blockchain and cryptocurrency can allow to help eliminate waste. So companies who are really doing it the right way, and you could see their ledger, you could see their blockchain, you could see which chain it is built on, you begin to realize, hey, this blockchain and cryptocurrency is really going to be the thing that's going to push the elimination of waste, incentivize people, give governance to customers, clients, to the people in the real world, and it's going to allow us to tokenize and be able to work together as we move forward into this new Web 3.0, the circular economy, and sustainability. So I truly appreciate your time today. Thank you for coming out. It was a quick lecture, but I wanted to make sure you guys got a lot of information because this space is new, it's growing, it's exciting, and I'm really happy to be able to share my past years of experience with you. And if y'all ever need any type of support, reach out to me, Circanomics.com, Ousman at Circanomics.com, to discuss solutions, to discuss answers, and to work together as we move forward into Web 3.0, the circular economy, and sustainability. So thank you for being part of Circular City Week. We will do it again next year, and thank you for your time. Hello?